ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. As you can see, no, this is our brand new sweep, ma'am and sir. It is only for 46 euro per month. Zero interest, ma'am
Per
and
week?
sir. Huh?
Per week.
Ay, per week pala. Sorry. Ma'am and sir, as you can see, this red car, ma'am and sir, is very good, convertible into car. And
Hindi.
sir, as you can see, no, the red color, this is very unique. This is the only red car in Ireland. And when you say, hey Siri, to this car, ma'am and sir, you know,
Hey.
it will open.
Sige
It
nga.
is voice command.
Sige nga.
But we don't have the key, ma'am and sir, you know.
Nakalak.
It's not. And there is a free. But
Free.
wait, there's more. There's free in here, ma'am and sir. Free spider web. As you can see, ma'am and sir. Ito ang kagandahan ng sasakyan na ito. Ang kagandahan nito ay walang kapangitan. Okay?
Saan to?
Ma'am sir, bye na kayo. Nandito lang kami sa Omni, ang favorite mall ni Angela. So, panibagong araw, panibagong sasakyan. So, Madam Hazel, may i-offer ako sa iyo ng bagong sasakyan. Mabilis to. Maganda. Tipid sa gasolina. Actually, hindi mo na kailangan ng gasolina dito. Hindi siya electric, hindi din siya hybrid. But, pwede mo siyang i-operate ng walang gasolina. So, ano to eh? Ferrari, actually. This is the new breed of Ferrari. So, as you can see here, Madam Hazel, this is what I'm offering to you. New Ferrari. Murang-mura lang. Sa halagang abot kaya. Ang kagandahan pa nito ay walang kapangitan. Okay? Hi guys. So, another day, another vlog. Nandito na naman tayo guys sa bago nating episode. So ngayon, ano tayo sa episode natin na pang sasakyan, no? May bago akong sasakyan na i-offer kay Madam Hazel, no? Itong sasakyan na to, masyadong maraming gamit. So, as you can see guys, ito yung bago nating sasakyan. Pwede kang umupo. Ito ang upuan mo guys. Tapos,
Muni-muni.
magmuni-muni. Pag nataiga, pwede na rin. Go na. Tapos guys, ito ang panghugas natin. May bidet. Okay? And then guys, ito ang ating pang shower. Shower, bidet. Pero pwede mo ring baliktarin. Ito ka mag-shower, dito ka mag-bidet. So, ayun guys, bye na. Ang mga na-harvest ko.
Okay, oh.
Yeah. Another day, another Farmville. So guys, kahit wala pa tayong tanim na apple, may na-harvest naman tayo. So, ito ang pinakamalaki. Thank you sa kapitbahay natin. Marami silang apple. Guys, another day, another budol. Ang bigat naman ito. Thank you nga pala sa binibentahan ko ng sasakyan, si Madam Hazel. Kaso nabuko ko na kayo. Wow! So nice.
Okay, no?
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Kaso,
Kasi diabetic.
nabuko na.
Nabuko na. Thank you. Sabi ng babae may cheesecake daw. Nagulat ako. Bakit may cheesecake? Sabi ubi lang. Thank you guys. Thank you Hazel.